How are you? Namaste.
Namaste, namaste, namaste.
This your goat?
Apa Nepali?
This your goat? This your bakara?
Bakara. Bakara.
This one?
Bakara. Buari nani bakara.
Abo.
Buari nani bakara.
Okay.
Okay.
You're not selling now? Then no selling? Where's now your husband? Husband where now? Where is your husband? Your husband where?
Dubai.
Ah, that's why they're not selling. Before they're selling. You see? Dubai?
Dubai.
You go also Dubai. You work also Dubai. I'll go market, okay? Okay.
Baby, uni aina?
Tension, no need. Tension, no need. Yes, how many baby you have? You ask. Two? Yeah, they are big now. Two?
One girl.
One boy.
Wait. Yeah.
Did you also go Dubai? No? That's why they are not selling now. Before too much here. I tell you no, maybe the husband go also in Bides. I said to you, right? You remember? Oh, you see? They said no. That's why they selling. Huh? We are going to the market, guys. I'm going to the market. My head is paining. My head is paining. I'm gonna buy sticky rice. So I'm telling you, you remember before I tell you, no one here. All they go. Walking at night. Just now I going outside because I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well, that's why. I'm going out. I'm gonna buy medicine and sticky rice. I'm gonna cook tomorrow. And condensed milk. Hello. We are waiting for the releasing of the passport of Kisor. Only 3 days we went there in consulate, Nepali consulate. I don't know. I said that Nepali consulate because I don't know which one, or how they call that one. consulate, but I'm just telling consulate, guys. Because for us, we are telling Philippine consulate, Philippine embassy, like that. You know, guys, this house, this is this same their house before when Nepali. What is how you call this one, Mira? Their look, guys, their house before like this. People here like this. Mostly in rural area, their house like this. Yeah. Mostly in rural area, their house like this. At the evening, guys, we feel still cold here, little bit. Come this side, the motorcycle. Hello, Ama. Namaste. Where you go? Where you go?
जानु पो मैले
Huh?
कहाँ हो तपाईँले
Where you going?
हजुर ए म यहीँ घरबाट दुध लिँदैन
Where's your house?
बोल्न जाने पो मैले जान्नु
Walking? Also, me, I'm walking. Walking is good for health. Ama,
हजुर
how old are you?
म जान्दिनँ अब म जान्दिनँ त्यति म 70 भन्दा 4-5 वर्ष बढी
75? Good. Good. Bye-bye, Ama. Telling good. If you will long press this one, light will come. Now light are coming. Light are coming. Long press. This is our shadow, guys. Look at my shadow. And kiss our shadow.